Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're going to talk about the 3 warning signs that it's time to declutter your home now. Not next month, not when you have the time, but right now. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Flora Sage, certified simplification coach and 7-time author. And for over 28 years, I've been helping women like you align into a life and a business that you are wildly obsessed with by helping you clear out the 9 types of clutter keeping you from a life that you love. So please remember to subscribe to this feed so that you know every single time an episode is released. All right, warning sign number 1 is you're avoiding certain places in your home. I know right when I said that popped into your head. You know that space that you avoid. This could be the closet that won't open, the drawer that bites you back, that room that gives you kind of a mini panic attack when someone suggests, oh, let's hang out in there. And you're like, no, I'm good. Avoidance is a nervous system response. When your brain associates a space with the feelings of overwhelm, of decision fatigue, or even of shame, it literally triggers low-level stress responses every single time you think about it. According to the Princeton Neuroscience Institute, physical clutter actually competes for attention and reduces performance and focus. So it's not just a mess. It's actually something that drains your brain of actual energy that you could be using at other places and spaces in your life. So if you're avoiding part of your own home, like it's an X in the grocery store, that is your cue that it's time to declutter. Warning sign number 2, you're buying things that you already own. This is one that is very, very common. It's actually more common than you think. So I want you to think about the last time that you caught yourself saying, oh crap, I already had one of these and I couldn't find it, so I bought another one. And then you find it and now you have 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or more. Or you think to yourself, didn't I buy this book last year? But you can't find it, so you bought it. And then what happens? You find it. So this is what's called clutter amnesia. This is when your space is so overloaded that you can't find or access what you need. So your brain creates kind of a workaround of just saying, well, let's just buy it again, because that actually feels easier for you than to go find that thing that you know somewhere in your brain that you sometime, previous to this, you purchased that thing, but you just don't know exactly where it is. This becomes very, very expensive. This becomes very frustrating and also proof that your home is no longer functioning like it should. When you can remember that your home is a tool to support your life, it's not the storage unit for stuff that you forgot that you had. The average home contains well over 300,000 items. So it's no wonder that we lose track of our stuff. So if that's you, it's time to declutter. All right. Warning sign number 3, cleaning feels like a full-time job. Now, here's the truth. Everybody cleans at least a little bit every single day. But cleaning and tidying are not the same. If you are spending hours cleaning, but most of the time it's just moving stuff around, or you're finding a place for things that don't belong, and you're not really cleaning, okay? You're managing your clutter. You're moving piles around. And this is one of the things that I see all the time is people spend so much time tidying, again, moving piles around, and you're not actually managing the clutter. You're not actually doing the work. This isn't sustainable. This creates resentment. It steals time from the rest of your life. It steals time from connection. It steals time from creativity. It steals time from you being able to restore yourself and recharge in between life's events. I actually had a client tell me, I didn't realize how much energy clutter was stealing from me until it was all gone. Like, I can't believe this. And she felt like once she decluttered her space and only had in her space what she was using, she's like, Flora, I feel so free. I never realized how much time I was wasting shuffling all my crap around. If you're constantly resetting your home, but you never feel like it's actually clean because there's so much clutter and you just keep moving piles and moving piles, you don't need a better vacuum. You just need less stuff. Your home is a living space. It is not a storage space. I love that quote. And this quote hits home because it reframes the purpose of your home. It's not a warehouse. It's where your nervous system is supposed to relax and where your soul can exhale and where you recharge and regroup and find your center. It is your safe space. It's that sacred sanctuary. I actually have a whole meditation album called Your Sacred Sanctuary. It's here on YouTube. There's a playlist. But you know, these warning signs truly are that thing that tell you, hey, there's no more waiting. It's time. It is time. So I want you to share with me in the comments, what is the hardest space for you to declutter in your home? And if you want to take it a step further, what's the hardest space and why? Share that with me. Also, we are gathering a group of women for a 90-day declutter sprint so that you can finish this year strong, declutter all the things that you are meant to declutter so that January 1st of next year, you can be like, hell yeah, I've got the space to finally start the year off strong. If that is you, reach out to me, flora@florasage.com. Let me know that you want in, or let me know if you want more details. Also, if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and turn on that notification bell so you know every single time an episode is released. And I will see you back here next week. Mwah.